Hello everybody! I am Caitlin the Explorer. I am gonna tell you my favorite book, Barbie and Alphatara. Let's go! Barbie was very happy. She was playing with Drago, her dragonfly friend. Drago flew away. Barbie followed her. Barbie was puzzled because her friend suddenly vanished. Barbie noticed a one-of-a-kind earth mound. She came near it. Could it be true that some creatures live in here? Barbie was unnoticed when she suddenly went through the earth mound. Eee! She cried. Who are you? She asked. I am Elfie. I am an elf. You are here in Alphatara. The little man said. How come I get in here? She asked. Elfie said she was shocked by Alphatara because she did something to the earth mound. Barbie could not believe she is inside Alphatara. This is a beautiful place where everything is tiny. Help! A small voice screams. Barbie heard it. He looked for the owner of the voice and found her friend Dragonfly. Barbie got Drago out of the spider web. We have to flee, whispered Barbie's dragonfly friend. If the king finds out we're here, we will stay here forever, Drago said. Trick Elfie, and I will find a way how to get out of here. Elfie brought Barbie at the Alphatara Falls. Drago did not go with them, but instead looked for a way out of the kingdom. Shh! Don't make any noise. The king is coming, Elfie said. Barbie felt jittery. She was worried the king would detain her at Alphatara. Drago flew near Barbie. I saw the exit! Follow me! Hurry up! Drago yelled. Elfie panicked. When Barbie hastily ran away, Drago pricked Elfie in the eye to keep him away from them. Ouch! Elfie cried out. Barbie ran into the other side of the fence. Drago was behind her. The fence shut when they got out. Barbie could not believe with that she experience. She likewise promised that she would respect an earth mound because some elves live in there. Barbie and Alphatara. Again, I am Caitlin the Explorer.